Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Stripe invoices to QuickBooks, full guide step. To authenticate Stripe invoices to QuickBooks, start by logging into your Stripe account. Navigate to the Invoices section in your Stripe dashboard. Select the invoice you wish to authenticate. Check the invoice details to confirm they are correct. Next, log into your QuickBooks account. Go to the Settings menu in QuickBooks. Select the Apps option from the list. Search for the Stripe app in the search bar. Click on the Stripe app to view its details. Initiate the connection by clicking on the Connect button. You will be prompted to log into your Stripe account again. Authorize QuickBooks to access your Stripe account. Once authorized, return to the QuickBooks dashboard. Go to the Sales section in QuickBooks. Select Invoices from the Sales menu. Click on Import Invoices from the options available. Select the invoices you want to import from Stripe. Review the invoice details once more. Confirm the import to sync your Stripe invoices with QuickBooks. Check your QuickBooks invoices for accuracy after the import. If any discrepancies arise, return to the Stripe invoice for adjustments. Repeat the process for additional invoices as necessary. Finally, ensure all invoices are accurately reflected in your QuickBooks account. Monitor your invoices regularly for any updates or changes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.